quick walk around of my Snapmaker A350T T model. It's the upgraded version. It's a little bit quieter and it's having different internals. This device is supporting different modules. We have here a CNC module, a 3D printing module, and a laser module. As well, it's having a 3D printing module with 0.8 nozzle, and I keep this one for 0.4 nozzles. It's equipped with an enclosure with an emergency stop button. This is the main unit, if I can say that. This is the control screen, which is removable, and we can control the movement of the tool head and all the axes of the machines. This is a canvas based machine, so everything is being interconnected. We have here some LEDs which are connected to the main module, as well the enclosure and the other accessories. For example, I have here an air purifier which can be connected to the canvas module, and when is gonna start only when necessary. It is ideal for 3D printing and for laser cutting, as well for CNC. Here there is a fan duct with a fan which can be connected here to extract the fumes. Also, the enclosure is closing quite well. There is a rubbery compound here, and magnetic textures. It is quite easy to configure as everything is plug and play, so no wiring, just cables to connect to the main module. It's all metal. I think it's still an aluminum extrusion, so very high quality device. Here we have what I call a laser upgrade kit, which comes with an emergency stop, with 10 watts laser, fan duct for the air purifier, which, as I said earlier, is being connected to the machine directly and starts only when necessary. It's opening like this, and this is the air filter. It's quite hefty air filter. So it is really big carbon-based air filter. Everything is metal, high quality. This is the 10 watts module. It's very easy to use, as it's been equipped with a camera, so you can use the camera to align your work. The original laser module is just 160 milliwatts. As well as coming with an inbuilt camera. The CNC module, the spindle, and the second 3D printing tool head. The printer is supplied with some nozzles, original hot ends, scraper, and original build plate which never been used. The CNC accessories are quite varied. There are the holders and various bits as well, the original ones. The laser, this is the laser plate with rubber holders and required bolts, and also a toolbox. Going through the menu, we have the files which are on memory stick. There is a USB port where we can add files to it. In calibration menu, and there are some instructions on how to calibrate it. Settings, let's see what we put here. Yeah. And we have a guide as well, so it's a really easy to use device to start with. And here we have the menu of the enclosure. Once the air purifier will be connected, we're going to have another menu here. For the enclosure, we have the fan, which is not fitted, it's here, and the LED lights, which are fitted, so I can turn them off and on. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. Really easy to use device. The Luban software is quite straightforward. And an amazing display tool.